Hi, I'm Valeria Pinto. I'm an LCMS product specialist at Shimadzu Scientific Instruments. Today, I will demonstrate how to clean the focus unit of our new LCMS Triple Quad RX Series. For this procedure, you can also refer to section 7.2.3 in the LCMS 8045 RX, 8050 RX, or 8060 RX series instruction manuals. You will need the following tools and supplies: chem wipes, flathead screwdriver, H8 wrench, beaker, LCMS grade methanol, and sonicator. After turning off all gas flows and heaters using lab solution software, allow the unit to cool to room temperature. Then remove the LC connection tubing. Unlock and remove the ionization unit. Adjust the projection length of the ESI capillary to less than 0 millimeters to prevent injury to you or the instrument. Loosen the knurled screw using a flathead screwdriver. Lift the ground plate to the upper left direction until the notch is released. Lower the plate and pull it forward for removal. Pull the focus unit towards the left until removed from the socket. Loosen the knurled nut until you can fully remove the focus electrode. If you're working with a DUIS RX focus unit, make sure to remove the corona needle by loosening it with the screwdriver. Submerge the focus electrode and ground plate into a beaker with LCMS grade methanol and sonicate for 5 to 10 minutes. Once dried, attach the focus electrode by aligning the pin on the focus unit with the notch and turn clockwise until finger tight. Align the focus unit so the pin is facing upwards and lines up with the notch within the socket. Then push towards the right until secure. Hold the ground plate by the middle knob and insert the hooks until secure on both pegs. Then tighten the knurled screw clockwise until finger tight. Adjust the ESI capillary protrusion from 0.5 to 1 millimeter by first making the needle flush with the tip and turning the assembly clockwise. Each 180-degree turn extends the needle by 0.5 millimeter. Add the locking nut to secure the capillary in place. Reattach the clean ionization unit and lock it in place. Reconnect the LC tubing and initiate heaters and gas flows using lab solutions. For more information about Shimadzu LCMS instruments, visit us at www.ssi.shimadzu.com.